I picked up some Dollar Tree rub-ons and I tried them. Stay tuned for the review. Hi everybody, it's Julie and we are going to do a little test. I went to Dollar Tree today. I purchased this glue and residue eraser. I also purchased some rub-on transfers. So I got this one with the greenery. I got this one that looks very Tim Holtz. I think it's really pretty cool. And I got this one that looks very teacup and roses and beautiful birds. So I have some of my avocado dyed paper and I am going to go ahead and see what we can do with it. Okay, so these don't come with a popsicle stick. Let's see what it says. Okay, so we have, this is our paper here. We are to, okay, what is this? Rub-on transfers. Clean up and dry surface. So you can actually put these on things, like on wood. And we'll be doing this in on the Dear Julie DIY channel. You're going to cut out the letter design of your choice with scissors, peel off the white backing paper, place the letter design with the adhesive side down onto the desired smooth, hard, dry surface. Rub firmly and several times with your fingernail or use a blunt, hard object. Remove the transparent plastic sheet slowly, checking that the letter design has transferred properly onto the surface. So let's go ahead and we will start with, I think this is a pretty clean, dry surface. And I think the teacup is calling my name. Let's go up here to the top where there's a teacup. Okay, so we're gonna take the white surface off. We're gonna lay this down and we're gonna use either our fingernail or a hard blunt surface. I'm gonna try this. We'll see. I don't see any difference in the usually you can see a difference if it's going down. So let's see what else I have. What other hard, blunt, aha! Okay, well, let's see if any of that's sticking. Oh, it's sticking. It's sticking. Okay. I'm just used to the color changing when you put down rub-ons. And, okay, then you pull this up slowly. There you go. You have a beautiful transferred image. Let's see, what else do we have on here? We have this beautiful rose. And so we can go ahead and put that up on the top. And, yeah, so I just got home and got everything put away. I was at Dollar Tree today. This is the first time that I have seen these particular rub-ons. I've seen a couple of others. I've seen the ones that have like the swan and like wild animals, kind of with paisley going on or something. Okay. Okay, so that one is not stuffed down all the way. Okay, try it again. There we go. There we go. So those are the beautiful, beautiful rub-ons. And look how fast you would be able to decorate something. Let's stick with the teacup theme. This sheet right here would match either the Teacup and Roses digital kit from Dear Julie Julie or the Beautiful Birds. Both of them really, really well. And they'd be fun in Antique Garden also. Okay, I'm going to put the teacup up on the top because I like things to be up on the top. Let's go ahead and add this washi tape. I'm going to end up with some embellishments for something. But aren't these awesome? Yeah, I can't use these in my March journal. And that's too bad because those right there would match. I could make them and have them in there, just not in the journal when I turn it in. That sounds funny. Okay, so here we go. And usually back in the day, your rub-ons would come with a popsicle stick. Actually, kind of a small popsicle stick. Okay, so here we go. A butterfly is not stuck. So there you go. Isn't that? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I am really liking this. Loved you yesterday. Love you still. Always have. Always will. That one says. And so we have a little bird here. And we have some ledger paper. Yeah, we baked this set of avocado dyed paper. So there is going to be avocado dyed paper in the Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop. And so watch for that video coming very soon, because I'll go over and tell you what is in there. I think we'll just put him right there. Put some of the washi tape down here. It will match the Beautiful Birds or the Tea and Roses. The washi tape will. And it's right here on the desk. And I am trying to use the stuff that's right here on the desk this month. Even if it's not for the actual challenge journal, I'm still trying to use the things on my desk. I'm going to be redoing my craft room after Easter. So now that I know that some things that I moved are just really not working for me. And okay, so this little heart's struggling. So I give this a big thumbs up for the rub-ons at Dollar Tree. I mean, anytime you can get a whole sheet of stickers like this, or rub-ons, or anything that's really vintage, antique looking, and beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. And better than a sticker, because it becomes part of the paper. So I highly recommend that you look into this. If it's something that you like, let me know. What do you think? Are you excited about this little addition to Dollar Tree? These pages. And which one of the 3 was your favorite? These are the only 3 I purchased. There are some others, but I got the ones that I saw that were very vintage looking. And they are very, very easy to use. I am very, very happy with them. So, let me know, have you already got them? Have you already tried them? And are you on your way to Dollar Tree right now? I have people that write me and say, I'm on my way right now. I hope my Dollar Tree has that. I hope my Dollar General has that. So let's try it with the fingernail this time and see how it does. I'm just going back and forth all the way down, and then I'm going to go back and forth all the way back up. And then I'm going to go up and down, just to make sure. And then let's see. Oh my gosh, except for his little foot right here that I must have totally missed. Let's make sure we got his tail real good. There we go. I love it. So, family, Dollar Tree, you get a thumbs up on your rub-ons. Thumbs up, big thumbs up. Check those out. And, you know, just adding a little bit of fabric to your tag, and maybe a fabric tab to the, just go ahead and see if we can fix this up. There we go. Fabric. And so that's what I would do. I would just add some lace, some fabric, and I am very, very impressed. So what do you think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I'm going to tell you, find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day, and thanks for being here. Don't forget to go watch another video because YouTube really likes it when you do that. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.